Now, I was asked for the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook and our other cookbook, Air Fryer Easy Every Day, what can you cook in it for Christmas? I mean, Christmas is just around the corner, isn't it? We want to simplify it with the air fryer. So what could you actually do? So starting with the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook, home copy, I write that down because I often take it to signings and I don't want to send out a copy that's been well used by myself. So beyond the fact that this is brilliant if you've not used the air fryer and you're jumping in this Christmas and you're looking for some ideas, now what could you have for Christmas? And there's so many people that have scrambled eggs for their Christmas breakfast. That is in here. But my favourite one of them all, let's find it, shall we? In the breakfast chapter. Oh, there it is. English breakfast. How many of you have it for Christmas breakfast? Growing up, my mum always made a breakfast of champions, and it's just brilliant. And then this is also good. If you just want to use up your leftovers, you've got loads of veg for Christmas. You've got some leftover sausages and bacon from the pigs in blankets, and this brunch bowl is brilliant. And then into the chicken chapter, you can roast a chicken. You can also do your stuffing balls or stuff the carcass, and it's brilliant for that. And then let me see what else I can find you that's perfect for Christmas. So I don't think we're going to be doing fried chicken or steaks, so we can bypass these, but these are brilliant for other times, of course. But I'm just looking for some festive food that you can cook at home in your air fryer. If you're feeding one this Christmas, I recommend our pork chop dinner for one. Big pork chop, some roast potatoes, and some sweet corn and peas. Brilliant, no fuss option if there's just you. And then let's head into the other chapters. Fish, if you're Mediterranean, you may prefer a fish for Christmas. It's always been tradition in Portugal that you have a fish supper on Christmas Eve. And then once we get past the fish, let's see what else. Oh, I missed one. Now this is a good one. Frozen scallops, either wrapped in bacon or just on their own. These are brilliant for a Christmas Day starter. And then across into the vegetarian. What would I feed you if you were vegetarian at Christmas? Well, let's have a look. This vegetarian lasagna is an absolute brilliant one. These hidden veggie burgers are actually inspired for using up the leftovers from Christmas dinner. So you want to bookmark that for your leftovers. And then these burrito bowls are also brilliant, and you can put some of your favourite Christmas food into them. And then in the potato chapter, this is one of my favourites. Crispy root vegetable chips. This is brilliant for using up your leftovers. You can do it with swede, parsnips, carrots, whatever you've got in, and they're brilliant. And then let's have a look at some more beauties. This is brilliant for another one for your leftovers. Jacket potato bar, which is basically a jacket potato buffet. Get out your potatoes and then grab loads of your different leftovers you've got going on, and then people can top the potatoes however they want. And then across in the vegetables chapter, the garlic butter mushrooms with rosemary makes a fantastic starter for Christmas. These honey glazed carrots are ideal for serving for your Christmas lunch. And then what else have we got? We've got frozen sprouts with bacon. That's another brilliant. And then I made the ultimate roast dinner with Christmas originally in mind. So in this chapter, we start off by showing you how to cook roast beef with carrots and potatoes. I mean, this is brilliant. And I look at how beautiful it looks. This is a really simple way of doing a Christmas dinner using the air fryer. And then we also have pigs in blankets, stuffing bowls, duck fat roasties, Yorkshire puddings. And then of course, if you're in the US, we've also got green beans and cornbread. And then here we have the ultimate roast chicken dinner. Now this is perfect for Christmas. And in this we have all your favourites. So we have the whole chicken. We've got carrots and parsnips, we've got stuffing bowls, we've got pigs in blankets, Brussels sprouts, and everything goes on together in the air fryer. And that's how it looks once it's cooked. And then in the baking chapter, we have a few bits and pieces. We've got a lovely pull apart bread rolls recipe, which is perfect for serving if you're having soup for starter for Christmas. And then what else have we got? Let's have a look. Short crust pastry, and then used to make quiche. I get told off at Christmas if I don't provide a quiche on Boxing Day, which in the UK is the day after Christmas. And then in the sweets chapter, we've got some good ideas for desserts, like making a chocolate cake, Victoria sponge, and a few other things, like if you fancied making a pie instead. Chocolate chip cookies for Santa. Easy to make, and our kids love making these on Christmas time. Self-saucing pudding. This originally featured in a Good Food Christmas magazine, and it's just amazing and tastes so yummy. And then of course you could try some crumble pots instead if you preferred something more like that. And that gives you some brilliant Christmas ideas from the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook that are ideal for cooking this Christmas. So grab out your copy from your bookshelf, or if you haven't got a copy yet, you can get the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook from better retailers. We spotted a copy the other day in Waterstones, for example. Or if you Google air fryer Sam and Dom, you can find it there as well. And it's just perfect for cooking with, not just at Christmas, but all year round. And those are some beauties you can cook this Christmas at home in your air fryer.